you're a roofing company owner who feels like you have all the recipes for teaching sales training in your head and you've been having a really hard time hiring, training, and keeping people, maybe doing the ride along thing, people fizzling out quickly, people just not, connecting the dots, and you feel like you're trying to rely on finding unicorns or people like you or whatever, you have to remember that roof sales is actually very simple, right? We are practically giving roofs away to people who already need them. But in the same way that baking a cake either feels like college AP chemistry, literally like rocket science, without a recipe, and with a recipe, it's easy bake oven and a child could do it. Roof sales is the same. Most of you are just rolling with this recipe in your head, and it's impossible to teach people. Even the smartest kid that you hire is going to have a very, very difficult time if he's not Neil deGrasse Tyson or Paula Deen, right? So we're making roof sales very accessible to the average person by putting the recipe on paper. Everything from mindset to door pitches to objection handling techniques to the word-for-word sales presentation. All of it is on paper with my system so that you can hand it to anybody and it's easy bake oven instead of college AP chemistry. If you want to talk to me about this, please book a call. You can either click the link in my bio or here, wherever it is, in the comments of my story, wherever I have this posted, and book a call with me. I'd love to chat with you about how this works, make your life a lot easier, and help you scale your business by hiring and keeping people.